Hello students, starting with a new chapter on page number 83, chapter number 15, pictograph. Children, let us try and understand what is the meaning of pictograph. Okay, any number which is represented by pictures is known as pictograph. Okay, so let us see. There is Nasreen, Vishal, Viraj, Hema and other students went to village fair. I hope it is clear. Yes. The fair had a variety of games. The students had lot of fun. There were different types of shops at the fair. Some selling toys and some food and some clothes. Naturally, there was a crowd of children near the toy shop and food shop. Okay, they went to a village fair. Fair means mela. Okay, and there were variety of game shops, food stalls, then clothes shops. So naturally it was very crowded. Okay, Paramjit did not go to the fair. Okay, this all children went, but this fellow did not go. So he asked Vishal which shops were there, how many. Vishal showed him a table. So Paramjit was curious to know that कितने shops थे, कितने food stalls थे, how many food items were there, how many toy shops were there. So he was curious to know. So he asked Vishal. So Vishal made a chart and he showed that there were types of shop and number of shop. Food item shops 5, toy shop 3, cloth shop 2 and other shops 5. Okay, so he made this table for him, for Paramjit, and he showed. Now you see this table, 5 food shops were there, 3 toy shops were there, 2 clothes shops were there and 5 other shops were there. But see, Vishal made a very unattractive table. Okay, the table looked very unattractive. So what Nasreen did? Nasreen made a table by using pictures. Okay, so how many food item shops were there? So she made, instead of writing 5, she made 5 pictures of shops. Okay, then how many toy shops were there? 3, clothes shops 2, other shops 5. So which looks better, children? This looks better or this looks better? Obviously pictures made this table look more attractive. So Nasreen's table looked more attractive. These pictures represented the numbers. Okay, ये जो pictures है, ये numbers को represent कर रहा था. नंबर लिखोगे तो सिंपल लग रहा था, पर ऐसे पिक्चर्स लगाए तो कैसा लग रहा था? अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा था. So these pictures made the table attractive. Now Vishal was not aware of it. So Vishal asked, what do these pictures mean? Nasreen, one picture stands for one shop. Okay, one picture stands for one shop. There are 3 toy shops. So there are 3 pictures. Okay. Hema, suppose there are lots of shops. Will you draw as many pictures? Means if there are thousands of shops, so is it possible we can draw 1,000 shops? No. So then Tai came. Okay, Tai is their teacher, or you can say a guardian who helps them, who guides them. No, it is not possible to draw so many pictures every time. We pack the mangoes from one orchard, so 24 mangoes to a crate. Okay, so it is not possible to draw so many pictures, no? So what they do, if there is one crate means a box, okay? So what, and in that box 24 mangoes will come. So we will count the crate, we will not count single mangoes. अभी हम लोग एक एक मैंगो को नहीं पिक्चर काउंट करेंगे. एक क्रेट मीन्स बॉक्स में 24 मैंगोस अगर आते हैं तो हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे, बॉक्स को काउंट करेंगे. इन वन क्रेट इफ 24 मैंगोस कम, so we will count the box or we will count the crate. Sorry children. When we count the total number of crates, we come to know the number of mangoes we have packed. We can do this with the pictures. So in the park, now there is one more boy, Viraj. In the park, in the front of my house, there are 40 rose bushes, 20 hibiscus shrubs and 30 periwinkle shrubs. I will make a table to show this using pictures. So now comes scale. So one picture for 10 shrubs. Okay. Now one picture means 10 shrubs. So he said there are 40 roses. So this one picture means 10 roses. Okay. 10 roses. So 10 roses. One picture will represent 10 roses. Okay children. No need to write this. This just I am explaining you. So 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 10 40. So one picture for 10 shrubs. Okay. Now 20. This all are flowers. So just make pictures of flowers. Write rose. Then see, second is 20 hibiscus. So what it is? 10 and 10. Right? So here you will write hibiscus. Okay? Then periwinkle. Okay? 30 periwinkle. 20 hibiscus. 30 periwinkle. So 10, 10, 10. One flower is equal to 10 picture. One picture is equal to 10 flowers or shrubs. Now let us see. Go ahead with more examples to understand it. Chair were brought for a function in the school. Nasreen presented this information in the form of a pictorial chart. However, instead of arranging the pictures vertically, she arranged them horizontally. Let us see what this chart tells. See, instead of writing standing, she made this sleeping. Okay, instead of doing it, see, however, instead of arranging the pictures vertically, she arranged it horizontally. So you can do whichever method you are comfortable. Instead of doing vertically, she arranged it horizontally. Okay, now let us see. Okay, there were types of chair. Okay, number of chair. Remember, one chair is equal to one picture means 10 chair. एक picture मतलब 10 chair. So metal chair. How many metal chairs were there, children? See, one picture means 10 chair, no? So how many metal pictures are how many pictures are showed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay? Or you can simply write 10 5s are 50. So these are 50 chairs. See, in the second row, 8 pictures like this are drawn. It means that there are 8 into 10, 80 plastic chairs, and this is 10 into 5 is equal to 50 chairs. Okay. Next, a total of 15 pictures like this are drawn, which means there are total 15 into 10. See, now let us count all this chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tens are 150. So, this is the picture reading. Pictograph means trying to explain the sums with the help of a picture. Okay.